Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Teuscher Champagne Truffles. So let's go ahead and remove the box from its carry bag. So here is the box of Teuscher Champagne Truffles. As you can see, it's a green box. And it's square in shape, and just to give you some idea of the size, resting the box in the palm of my hand right there. So Teuscher is a Swiss chocolatier world famous for its champagne truffles. And this is a box of those truffles. And taking a look around the box. And on the underside as well. Giving you a close-up look at the ingredients as well as the nutritional information. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, sliding what appears to be a clear plastic sleeve off. Now having a much better look at this green and yellow box. Let's set it down and lift up the lid of the box. And I'm just going to set the box lid on the right hand side of the frame. And looking inside, you can see it does have a layer of packaging right there. Let's lift it off, but of course we need to rip apart the seal here, the Teuscher Zurich seal. And now lifting off, oops, there we go. Setting the packaging to the side and revealing the champagne truffles. So they do have Dom Perignon champagne in them. And this is Teuscher's signature truffle, the champagne truffles, which they are world famous for. Giving you that close-up look right there. So there appears to be two varieties, at least on the outer appearance of these truffles. One with a white dusted finish and the other one with a chocolate or cocoa dusted finish. And give you that close-up look this way. Let me pull back that paper sheet there. And giving you that nice good look into this box of 4 Teuscher Champagne Truffles. Looking very fancy and pretty, just sitting nicely in this gold foiled chocolate box. Okay, now let's pop one of the pieces out. And just to show you the height, so it is a rather tall looking truffle, or chocolate truffle at least. And I'm going to set the box down on that side, left hand side, and I'll give you a close-up look right here. Just doing some rejigging in the background and giving you a close-up look to this Teuscher Champagne Truffle. giving you that all-round look right round this very lopsided and uneven and very organic looking or organically shaped chocolate truffle, and on the underside right there, nice and flat. So it somewhat looks like a brown marshmallow that's been knocked around a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to give you a look right there, resting in the palm of my hand, just so you have some sense of size and scale to this piece of Teuscher Champagne Truffle. Okay, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to taste it, so I'm going to take a bite of it right now. So it has a overall very soft inner and outer shell, and there's that very light taste of the champagne, the Dom Perignon champagne, which they use in their world famous chocolate truffles, and giving you that detailed cross section into this Teuscher champagne truffle. Really delicious. Let's finish this piece off. So it does have a very smooth texture and overall very soft right throughout the outer and inner parts of the truffle. Now we're going to take a close-up look at the brown dusted one, setting the box back down. And once again we see that very uneven and somewhat mountainous shaped truffle, and this time around with the brown cocoa dusting. And resting in the palm of my hand right there, once again, for some sense of size. And now there's only one thing left to do, and that's, of course, to taste it. So let's do that. So the outer shell on this truffle was a bit more noticeable. Didn't feel like a soft or consistently soft chocolate truffle throughout. I could actually feel myself biting through the outer chocolate shell on this cocoa dusted champagne truffle compared to the white one that we saw or tasted just before. Once again, overall tastes just the same as what we just had before. Let's finish this part off. But first, giving you that close-up look. And it does have that yolky looking center. So a very, very smooth and exquisite tasting champagne truffle without being sickly sweet. So fine tasting and so soft and delicious. These Teuscher Champagne Truffles. So that's the Teuscher Champagne Truffles. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!